Tools used. This is a metal shear. It is used to cut metal. As you see here, I am using it to make pieces. Wow, what fun is that? This is called a metal brick. It is used to bend metal. We used it for the front of our boat when we were making it curve in so we could make a point at the front. This is a welder. We use it to weld things together and hold them together. This is a grinder. We use to grind down the weld so it's smooth. This is silicone. We used it to make everything waterproof. We would look at the diagram and measure it, and then measure it out on a piece of aluminum, and then cut it out off of the aluminum. Again, this is the top of the front of our boat. We cut that out and then bent it. After we had our finished project, we had to waterproof it. So we brought it and filled it with silicone, as you see in the time-lapse shot above. After we filled in all the cracks with silicone, I got my finger and I dragged it along and spread it all out and smoothed it out so it looked and was better.